Okay, now that we have created our Focus Parent Portal account, let's go ahead and click the link an existing student or add a new student to your Focus Parent Portal account. That button's right here in green. So it's going to make you log in. Go ahead and use the username and password that you created earlier. And once you log in, you will see your students up here. And if you need to add new students, let's say an incoming kindergartner who's never attended Ray-Pec before, you would click this middle button. I would like to apply for enrollment for a new child. If you're going to enroll a student who's previously attended the Raymore Peculiar School District, you'll use this first button. I would like to add a child who is already enrolled. So in this case, what we're going to do is click this middle button, and we're going to begin that process. So we're going to put our student name, and then we're going to input their birth date. So let's go with 2018. I'm just going to pick a date there, and you'll see the online application is ready for us. So we can click Begin Application, and it's going to bring us right in to begin that process. And you're going to be completing this new student registration. So on this, you'll continue through, follow all of the instructions, clicking next page to begin, and roll through all the information that's requested. You can click the Save and Continue Later button if you reach a point where you need to get documentation, for example, or you're just out of time and need to come back to it later. And now that you have completed the registration process for that new child, you'll now see you have your additional child listed here, and you can click I'm finished adding students. Please take me to the portal. Once you've done that, you'll see the re-enrollment applications are required and in place, ready for you to click and begin completing for your existing students who are returning to the district. So we can click this and begin the returning student registration for each of your returning students.